So guys, today we're playing I don't know what the name. Let's see. On this Miner 2. Okay, let's play. Oh, okay, ready? Whoa. Oh, what the fuck is this? Okay, let's try again. Ready? Oh, hang on this shit. Okay, let's get it. Whoa. Let's get you. I will get you money. Okay. Wow. That's enough? No, this isn't right. Round 2. Okay, ready. Let's go for the round 2. Okay, guys. Let's see. How many can I take? Oh, yeah. Wow. Let's get this. This. Yeah, the winner. Now, prepare for the round 3. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Get it! Okay. Let's wait for some other money. Okay, and 1 second. Okay. No money, don't go. I will take you. Come on. Oh yeah. It's a very special. Yeah, catch it. And the last one, I win. Okay, round 4. Let's go. Wow, double knife? I don't know what this is. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on. Fuck! No! Okay, let's try again. Holy shit. Wait! Skip. Oh, it's making a game. Let's try again, guys. What's this here? Oh. For the collection of $1,000. Okay, let's play round 1. It's too easy for me now. Oh, double money. And this is the last one. This is cool, guys. Round 2. Okay, let's go. Let's take the money. Holy shit. Oh. Okay, decide to take the money and do not cut the. Okay, let's take it. Oh, yeah. Okay, $2. I think no. Yeah, $100. Okay, round 3. Let's try for the round 5. If we go in the round 4 and win them. What the fuck? Wow, this is cool. Wow. This is last money, I think. Oh no. Okay, let's take them. Yeah. Just. Round 4. Let's try for the round 5, guys. Okay. Yeah, take the money. Money are the best thing. Holy shit. Okay. There's no money. Oh, there's 2 left. Okay. Be strong. Yeah, take it. No! I lost again. Okay. Nice. Or Robbie deck. Oh, sorry. I like this game. Okay, guys. This Sublime. best players. Okay. Where am I? Where am I? Oh, why is not appearing? Okay, let's try again. This is the last one. Okay, if we win the round 5, we are the first. This is too easy. No. Okay. Let's take the money. What the fuck? Okay, guys. Round 2 is here. Ah! Get the money. Yeah. Get the money. Holy shit. Okay, guys. This is my video. I think you will like this. Okay, please like and subscribe. Bye.